Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hakim and today I will present to you my industrial training placement. Okay, so first of all bachelor students must undergo their industrial training for 10 weeks starting from 9 August until 15 October 2021. Okay, so what are the objectives of industrial training? So first of all, the industrial training objective is to expose the student in their own field to the working field. For me, I study in the electrical field and I work in the electrical field. Okay, secondly, to help them gain knowledge in their studies, based organization and industries. And third, to enable students to connect and communicate efficiently in various working styles. So lastly is to develop teamwork among the graduates. So this is important to help the students pass to get through their working life. Industrial placement is chosen by student itself by applying through website or email or LinkedIn. Okay, so I chose my company through email. I applied them through their email and they accepted me just before 9th August 2021. So I work at Flexmodus Sdn Bhd. Flexmodus is a company under KVC Sdn Bhd. KVC is a large solar power company. And then under Flexmodus, there are two main customers, which is Besi Epec and Kohu. Besi Epec is located in Shah Alam and Kohu is located in Melaka. Both of this company is a semiconductor company. The job scope at Flexmodus Sdn Bhd, there are three job scopes. Firstly, to review the implementation and the efficiency of the quality and inspection system. Secondly is to plan, conduct and monitor testing and inspection of material and product to ensure finished product quality. And thirdly, to analyze data to identify areas for improvement to the quality system. I work in the quality department at Flexmodus Sdn Bhd. So, what are the work related in quality department at Flexmodus Sdn Bhd? Four basic things that is important at Flexmodus Sdn Bhd. Firstly, PRD. PRD is a production order, shows what is the project and what equipment that are needed for the project. For example, for a motor, double motor, they need a 5mm screw and washer and block. That all listed in the PRD. And then the second one is a drawing. Drawing is obtained from the engineer at Flexmodus Sdn Bhd, required to on the project. Means that from the production they will refer to the drawing. Each wire they will refer to the drawing, from the length of the cable to the label. And then delivery packing sheet. Delivery packing sheet is a final checklist on product before delivery. And then we have silver label. Silver label is a label which is there is a serial number for one product. Each product has one silver label. What are the work related at Flexmodus Sdn Bhd? First, there is for me in the quality department, we have to check the cable length, each cable length. In Flexmodus Sdn Bhd, there are many wire harnesses. So the production team produce wires, label them and cut them. So we have, first of all, we have to check the length of the cable. And then we have to check the parts. The parts received by the supplier and we will send to customers. So the part must be complete from the supplier. We have to check the PRD. PRD is a production order. In there is a checklist of how many items come in from the supplier. We have to check all of them. Are they okay or not? We have to check the quality of the product. Okay, and then thirdly, we have to check the continuity of the cable. Continuity of the cable, we check using multimeter. We have to check the continuity, make sure there is connection. If no, there is an error, we have to send to production to rework the cable. And then we have to look at the orientation of the cable. Each cable that inserted through connector will be checked by the quality department. Is the cable inserted to the proper port or not? And then we have to check the label of the cable. The label must be proper and not so terrible, the label. And then we have to check the appearance. For example, this picture shows a motor stamping, the stamp on a motor done by the production team. So we have to check whether the appearance is okay or not. If not, then we have to send them for rework. And then we have to check the pull test for the ground cable. The ground cable, we have to pull the crimp on top of the cable to check if it is properly inserted or not. And then lastly, we have to check the solder of the cable to the board or anything. We have to check if it is okay to the if it's not, then we have to rework to the production. For conclusion, I enjoyed working at Flexmodus in Berhad. There are many benefits that Flexmodus offered to us, the internship students. The conclusion is, first, improve our soft skills, student soft skill, and then we acquire new experience and knowledge to real working lifestyle. And then we have the time management. Our leader is very sharp in time management, and then build partnership and teamwork. That is important for us to work in the future. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.